Every week, developers release new tools and frameworks as open-source GitHub projects. In this weekly update, we look at top trending open-source GitHub projects this week, so you can quickly see what developers are building. These projects focus on AI assistance, developer workflows, automation, and practical tools. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Before we jump into today's project updates, here's a quick announcement for everyone. We've launched a brand new YouTube channel called AI Agent Studio, dedicated entirely to AI agent projects, tutorials, and tools. So if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest AI agent open source projects, learning how to build your own agents, or exploring cutting-edge agent frameworks, make sure to check it out. Subscribe now to get weekly videos, in-depth guides, and real-time project breakdowns. The link is right there in the description. Don't miss it. All right. Let's get into today's video.
Project number 1. Last 30 days skill Alexa skill for tracking recent listening history. Last 30 days skill is an open source Alexa skill that lets users access and review their listening activity from the past 30 days. It connects to music services through APIs and retrieves recent playback data, then formats it into responses that Alexa can speak. Developers configure authentication and deploy the skill using AWS tools, so it runs as a voice-enabled service. The system handles user queries, fetches listening history, and returns summaries through voice interaction. This helps users revisit their recent music activity, explore the repository to build and deploy the skill. Project number 2. Deep Live Cam, real-time face swapping using live video input. Deep Live Cam is an open-source application that performs real-time face swapping on live camera feeds using deep learning models. It captures video input, detects faces, and replaces them with target faces using pre-trained models during runtime. Developers run it locally with GPU support and configure source and target inputs for swapping. The system processes frames continuously and outputs modified video in real time. This helps developers experiment with live video manipulation and computer vision workflows. Explore the repository to run real-time face swapping. Project number 3. VibeVoice, speech generation system for expressive voice synthesis. VibeVoice is an open-source speech generation system from Microsoft designed to produce expressive and controllable voice outputs. It processes text input and generates speech that reflects tone, style, and emotional variation. Developers run inference using provided models and integrate it into applications that require dynamic voice generation. The system focuses on improving naturalness and expressiveness in synthesized speech. This helps build more engaging voice interfaces and audio content tools. Explore the repository to generate expressive speech. Project number 4. Dance 20, open source CRM platform for managing customer relationships. 20 is an open source CRM platform designed to manage customer data, interactions, and sales workflows. It provides a web-based interface where users track contacts, deals, and activities. Developers deploy it on their own infrastructure and connect it with databases and services to manage business data. The system organizes customer information and supports workflows that help teams manage relationships and sales pipelines. This helps businesses maintain control over their CRM without relying on external platforms. Explore the repository to run your own CRM system. Project number 5. Dexter AI Assistant for Automating Development Workflows. Dexter is an open-source AI assistant that helps automate software development tasks such as code generation, debugging, and workflow execution. It connects language models with local development environments and tools to perform actions based on user instructions. Developers run it locally and configure integrations with their projects. The system interprets tasks, executes commands, and updates code as needed. This helps streamline development workflows with AI assistance. Explore the repository to automate coding tasks. Project number 6, oh-my-claudecode, plugin and customization toolkit for Claude Code. Oh-my-claudecode is an open-source toolkit that extends Claude Code with plugins and custom configurations. It provides a structure for adding new commands, integrations, and workflows into the Claude Code environment. Developers install it locally and customize how Claude interacts with tools and codebases. The system enhances the default capabilities of Claude Code by enabling extensibility through user-defined modules. This helps developers tailor the coding assistant to their needs. Explore the repository to customize Claude Code. Project number 7, FreeCAD, parametric 3D modeling software for engineering design. FreeCAD is an open-source parametric 3D modeling software used for designing mechanical parts and assemblies. It provides tools to create and modify models using constraints and parameters that define geometry. Users design objects, adjust dimensions, and simulate structures through a graphical interface. Developers and engineers run it locally to create CAD models for engineering, architecture, and product design. The system supports extensibility through modules and scripting. This helps users build precise and editable 3D designs. Explore the repository to design parametric models. Project number 8, Onyx self-hosted AI workspace for document and knowledge search. Onyx is an open-source AI workspace that enables teams to search, chat with, and organize internal documents. It connects to data sources, indexes content, and allows users to query information using language models. Developers deploy it on their own infrastructure and configure integrations with tools such as Google Drive or Slack. The system manages document ingestion, indexing, and retrieval workflows. This helps teams build internal knowledge assistants. Explore the repository to create a self-hosted AI workspace. Project number 9. DeerFlow, framework for orchestrating AI workflow pipelines. DeerFlow is an open-source framework designed to orchestrate complex AI workflows by connecting multiple processing steps and tools. It allows developers to define pipelines where data flows through tasks such as model inference, transformation, and integration with external services. The system manages execution order, dependencies, and data passing between steps. Developers run it locally or on servers to build modular AI systems. This helps structure multi-stage AI applications. Explore the repository to build AI pipelines. Project number 10, Expect, assertion and testing library for JavaScript applications. Expect is an open-source assertion library used for testing JavaScript code. It provides functions that allow developers to define expected outcomes and verify that code behaves correctly during tests. The library integrates with testing frameworks and supports different types of assertions such as equality, truthiness, and error handling. Developers include it in their test suites to validate application logic. This helps ensure code reliability and correctness. Explore the repository to add assertions to your tests. Project number 11, Dense, Everything Claude Code, Resource Hub for Claude Code Tools and Workflows. Everything Claude Code is an open-source repository that collects tools, examples, and workflows related to Claude Code. It organizes resources that help developers understand how to use and extend Claude Code effectively. The repository includes references to plugins, configurations, and usage patterns. Developers use it as a guide to explore capabilities and improve workflows. This helps centralize knowledge around Claude Code usage. Explore the repository to learn Claude Code workflows. Project number 12, Supermemory, persistent memory layer for AI applications. Supermemory is an open-source system that provides persistent memory for AI applications and agents. It stores interactions, context, and knowledge so language models can recall information across sessions. Developers integrate it into applications to maintain continuity and improve responses over time. The system manages storage, retrieval, and updating of memory data. It runs locally or in hosted environments depending on setup. This helps build AI systems with long-term memory. Explore the repository to add memory to your AI apps. Project number 13, Claude HUD, overlay interface for interacting with Claude Code. Claude HUD is an open-source overlay interface that enhances interaction with Claude Code by providing a visual layer on top of the coding environment. It displays information, controls, and outputs in a structured interface that improves usability. Developers run it locally and connect it to Claude Code to extend interaction beyond the terminal. The system focuses on improving developer experience through visualization. This helps users interact with AI tools more efficiently. Explore the repository to enhance Claude Code with a HUD. Project number 14. Claude Subconscious. Trending collection of Claude-related projects. Claude Subconscious is a curated collection of trending projects related to Claude and its ecosystem. It aggregates repositories, tools, and experiments that extend Claude's capabilities. Developers browse it to discover new ideas, plugins, and workflows. The repository acts as a discovery hub rather than a standalone tool. This helps users stay updated with the evolving Claude ecosystem. Explore the repository to discover new Claude projects. Project number 15, Skills, Reusable Skill Definitions for Claude Code Workflows. Skills is an open-source repository that defines reusable skill modules for Claude Code. It provides structured capabilities that can be integrated into workflows, allowing Claude to perform specific tasks consistently. Developers include these skills in their setups to extend functionality and standardize behavior. The repository acts as a library of capabilities that can be composed into larger systems. This helps developers build modular AI workflows. Explore the repository to use Claude Code skills. Project number 16, Unsloth Zoo, collection of models and resources for Unsloth workflows. Unsloth Zoo is an open-source repository that provides models, datasets, and configurations for use with Unsloth. It organizes resources that support efficient fine-tuning workflows and experimentation. Developers use it alongside Unsloth to access pre-configured assets and streamline setup. The repository acts as a companion resource hub rather than a standalone tool. This helps simplify model experimentation. Explore the repository to access Unsloth resources. Project number 17, Pretext, tool for creating structured UI content from text. Pretext is an open-source tool that transforms text input into structured content for user interfaces. It processes input text and maps it into formats that can be rendered as components in applications. Developers integrate it into front-end workflows to generate UI content dynamically. The system focuses on bridging text generation and UI structure. This helps developers build interfaces driven by structured text data. Explore the repository to generate UI content from text. Project number 18, Vize, tool for visualizing and analyzing application state. Vize is an open-source tool that visualizes application state and data flow for debugging and analysis. It captures state information and presents it in a structured visual format that helps developers understand how data changes over time. Developers integrate it into applications to inspect behavior during runtime. The system focuses on improving visibility into complex systems. This helps developers debug and optimize applications. Explore the repository to visualize your app state. Project number 19, Ghostree, tree-based interface for organizing Ghostree workflows. Ghostree is an open-source tool that provides a tree-based interface for organizing workflows within the Ghostree terminal environment. It structures commands, sessions, and tasks into a hierarchical format that users can navigate easily. Developers run it locally and integrate it with Ghostree to manage workflows visually. The system focuses on improving organization inside terminal workflows. This helps users manage complex command structures. Explore the repository to organize terminal workflows. Project number 20, Worktrunk, tool for managing and organizing work tasks in code. Worktrunk is an open-source tool that helps developers manage tasks and workflows directly within their codebase. It organizes work items as structured data inside files, allowing teams to track progress alongside code changes. Developers update tasks through edits and integrate them into version control systems. The system focuses on keeping work management close to development workflows. This helps teams stay aligned without external tools. Explore the repository to manage tasks within your codebase. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.